Alrighty. Hello everyone and welcome back to my reaction to My Hero Academia. We are watching episodes 12 and 13. I am so hyped for this. Oh my god, I can't stop telling you guys how awesome this anime and the story writing has been so far. Last we saw All Might show up and the game over turned into continue. Now, in the previous episode, while I was watching it, I did say that if it wasn't All Might but someone else, like some other pro heroes, it would have been game over and they would have left. But then upon reflection, I was like, Shigaraki would have continued to Medusa crumble Asui. Nomu would have continued to destroy Midoriya. We don't even know what would have happened to Mineta. The only reason they stopped was because All Might showed up. So I don't know how to feel about it all. On one hand, I'm grateful for All Might to show up because he did save these kids right now. Like Aizawa single-handedly saved the entire Class 1A and kept them alive. But All Might showing up did stop the potential massacre from happening of these two kids. But I don't know the consequences of him showing up. Like the negative consequences. Are more kids going to die or be placed in danger now? Because the kids haven't evacuated. They are still strangled at different parts of the USG. So, I don't know what it's going to look like. There's also the fact that All Might has like 10 minutes of power left in him. So it's scary. The future looks bleak. I'm hyped to check it out. Let's get started with watching episode 12 and 13. Oh, and before I do, I just wanted to let you all know that yours truly, Madhurima Sapati, has gone ahead and created a Patreon. I wanted to give you all more content to binge watch on. I wanted to let you all observe me in my brilliance and hype me up. And so I've created a Patreon where you get access to bonus shows and reactions like that to Mystery of Aragos. You get early access to content every episode that I put on here on YouTube. You get to actually watch it a day or two ahead on my Patreon. You get exclusive voting rights and you get to decide what I should watch next, and you get to support me so that I keep making awesome content like this. With all that said, head over to my Patreon, check it out, and if you feel like it and vibe like it, support me. If you can't, like, share, subscribe, comment on this channel. You can hype me up here, and I am just as hyped to see your comments here like I am on Patreon. I would deeply appreciate your support either ways. Thank you so much for being here. Let's actually get started with episode 12 and 13 of season 1. Let's go.
待ったよヒーロー。社会のゴミめ。
The way he said you trash of society makes me think that All Might was not able to save someone from his family. Like he reached there, he was trying his best, but he wasn't able to save someone from his family or his friend or someone close to him. Because I could have taken that comment against pretty much any hero and be like, yeah, you know what, must be a jerk in real life or something like that. But knowing how much All Might is not just someone who's like there for the popularity's sake, but is actively trying to jump around even though it hurts him to try and save people, and how he's cleaning up spaces, taking care of the environment, and all of that jazz. It feels like it must have just been a blunder by All Might where he did not potentially reach there on time or was not able to save someone, which is why Shigaraki has such high anger towards him. Anyone else, I would have taken that you trash of society and been like, okay, something must have happened. Here, I just feel like, this is gonna hurt me. I already hate myself, okay? I know what I'm going to say. It's so dumb. But do people ship All Might and Aizawa Senpai? Are they going to feed my enemies to lovers? Oh, because the way he just picked him up, like fought off all of those villains, went up to Aizawa, picked him up like that, and then picked him up like this. Oh, shut up. That is what I wanted. What's his name? Kachan to do to Midoriya after Midoriya fell down during that mock battle between heroes and villains that we see. He just fulfilled. This show is giving me every single thing. It's feeding me, and I am sad. I am sad. I am so sorry, but also at the same time, I am sad. Let me be in my Delulu land. If Midoriya can be in his Delulu land and get All Might's power inherited, I can be in my Delulu land and ship these two characters. I'll take all the fanfiction recommendations from people who get me down in the comments so that I can actually sit down and read them. Although I will potentially get around to them after I finish watching the show so I don't get spoilers. But I'm making note of them. Drop them recommendations. Just as an FYI, I am loving seeing All Might in action. So far, we see him at the very end of it all, like at the very end of the action after he's done rescuing or stopping people. But this is so cool. He went from point A to point B so quickly, it was almost like teleportation. Oh my god. Midoriya, this is going to be the best time to actually tell All Might that, hey, just as an FYI, I am leaving, I'm evacuating. Please evacuate for the love of all that is holy and good in this world. Please evacuate. But also just stop for a second and let All Might know that he's bioengineered. I smashed him. Nothing happened. Be careful. He's created to be the anti-hero. So be careful. Oh my god, this fight is going to be so hype. Can't wait to watch it. What do you mean by Otosan? Oh my god, we are going to get tragic backstory and it's going to hurt the ever-loving hell out of me. Are those all hands of people that he couldn't save or who died because of some blunder of All Might, but also at the same time that he couldn't actually save? And so he keeps their hands stuck around his body as a physical representation of everyone who's holding him back, like the baggage that he carries and the weight of their death that he carries. Shut up, that is so sad. Oh my god, I'm going to hate this kid's backstory, aren't I? Oh my god. Okay. That breath of relief after he stuck that hand back on his face. Oh my god, this sucks. I hate it. Just to be able to feel the touch of those who have passed away and know that you are still carrying them. Like this representing as much of the baggage and burden of the death as much as it is the relief of still having them around in some way, shape, or form. Oh my god, I love it and I hate it. Oh.
オールマイトダメです。あの脳みそヴィランワンフォ僕の腕が折れないくらいの力だけどびくともしなかった。
Why the hell are these kids not evacuating? Oh my god, just leave. In times like these, I want them to have Minata's fear of being like, we need to run, can we, like, that self-preservation instincts that Minata has, I want them to have that. I know 13 is injured there, but he's injured there. Carry him out or something like that. I'm sure the multi-arms guy can like pick him up and like, take him away. Run. Oh.
むしろそうだ。人質に取られでもしたら足手まといいか。そういう感じ。
Listen, hear me out. I know your secret is going to be revealed to everyone, but this is an excellent time to decompress and get out, turn back into All Might, get rid of all these kids. Oh, that would be so cool and clever. Like, what are they gonna do? Share that information from where? From beyond death's door? And I mean, they're dead. I don't want Shigaraki to die before I find out what his deal is. And I kind of feel sorry for him already. But also at the same time, Kido, of course his quirk is not shock absorption. Shigaraki just lied to you. Why would he give you away important information? Even if they want to fight the fight at another point in time, why would they give away important information? And this is exactly why I said Todoroki, freeze the entirety of his body. Crush him. I know you guys are still kids. I am sorry for all these violent tendencies that I am burdening you guys with, but also at the same time, I would do it. I swear to God. I have to say this every time I sit down and watch violent shit like this. I'm like, oh, kill them. But in real life, I'm like, oh, no, stop it. I'm like the most peaceful kid ever. Chaotic stuff. My inner mind is just like, kill them. But also at the same time, I'm like, can you chill? For like 2 seconds, can you chill? They're kids.
別にそれだけとは言ってないだろう。よっちゃんよけたのすごいちげえよ、黙れかす。
So is he like dead or is he going to come back? We didn't see your body. But oh my god, that was such a crazy fight. I was at the edge of my seat. I was literally clutching onto my chair and just sitting like, I don't want to talk about anything happening right now because I'm just stuck here watching this absolute maniac obliterate someone who was created to fight at him at 100%. Oh, crazy shit, man. Let's go.
これがトッププロの世界。
I love this small division of the fact that everyone is cheering on All Might's power, but Midoriya is the only one who's worried about All Might. Understandably, because he's aware of the fact that All Might has like very little time left right now, and so he's worried about All Might, and he knows that he's getting slower, and he got hurt at the exact same spot he was hurt. But I just love that tiny bit of like focus shift. Oh, that's so cool. This show, man. God, Sabah, I am so glad I am watching this show. Ah.
チートが冴えない
That was clever of All Might being like, hey, you know what? I'm out of power, so I'm gonna try to talk you to surrender right now. Oh, that's crazy. I have a feeling that Shigaraki just removed one of his hands or something like that. Oh my god. Please, the other pro heroes and teachers, I am begging you all to come as quickly as you can so that they surrender and go back. And this is a fight for another day. But without further ado, let's watch episode 13. Let's go. Season finale!
使えば、こいつを殺す。
全滅させたと思わせてからの伏兵。こんなことも想定できていなかったなんて。いや、純粋な疑問ね。なんで？
やめろ。気づかないとでも思ったか？子供の浅知恵など、バカな大人にしか通じないさ。ヒーローの卵が人質を軽視するなよ。
I like that. I like that she tried to outmaneuver him by using logic and like trying to like bait him or trying to be like, I'm on your side and use diplomacy. But he's like, stuff like this actually just works on a few people, not everyone. Villains who haven't had an opportunity to be good villains and dumb badders, not on people like me who has been a villain for a really long time and has had to potentially deal with fair stuff like this. I might have been dumbified a few times in the past when I was first starting out, but not now. I like that. Oh, that's crazy.
あいつ、俺に嘘を教えたのか。
どうした？クリアとかなんとか言ってた。できるものならしてみろよ。
あれは虚勢だ。
もう、動けんぞ。死柄木弔。落ち着いてください。よく見れば、ノームに受けたダメージは確実に現れている。トミー、どうやら子供らは棒立ちの様子ですし、まだ使える手下も残っています。あと数分もしないうちに増援が来てしまうでしょうが、あなたと私で連携すれば、まだやれるチャンスは十分にあるかと。
I love that he's able to calmly assess the situation and share that situation with someone who's freaking the hell out. Absolutely love that as someone who's worked in stress management and continues to work in stress management. But I also hate it. I hate it for these kids and for All Might. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna watch this, but you should have just shut up and they should have just escaped. But no. Oh my god. Plus the title of this entire episode sounds so ominous. In our hearts. That just sounds like, oh, I'm sorry. We'll forever remember you or some shit like that. Oh my god. I mean, this is the finale after all. They're not going to slow down after a banger penultimate episode. I don't know what to do. I mean, I don't have to do anything, but I'm sitting here like, I don't know what to do. Do I want Midoriya to stay or do I want Midoriya to go? Should I stay or should I go? If I stay, there will be trouble. If I go, it will be double. So come on and let me know. Should I stay or should I go?
来るんかい。みんな、早く。
俺だ。さっきうまくいったのに、隠してる体の分、そこを狙えば、飛ばせる。オールマイトから離れよ。この手は、あの時の。
来たか。
You guys, it was so close to dying. Oh my god. I am so glad for that slingshot. The only thought that went in my head at that point in time was like, oh, someone brought a gun to a fog fight. But oh my god, I am so glad the teachers are here because oh my god, Midoriya was about to die. Okay. Hype episode. Oh my god, I am loving it. What overpowered behavior was that? Oh my god, that's crazy. Oh, I loved that. Oh, I loved that. Once again, all I can think about was if Toph is here in this scenario and if there is a battle going on between her, the ears jack lady, I am so sorry, ma'am, that I'm forgetting your name, as well as President Mike. I really wanna see who wins. It would be so cool.
帰って出直すか、黒木。プロが相手にしているもの、戦っているもの、悪の世界。それは、僕たちにはまだ、早すぎる経験だった。
No shit, kiddo. You are obviously not ready for it. This whole university you joined 2 days ago, you have just received the power from All Might. You're like brand new. You're like a baby in comparison to everyone else at this point in time. We are not ready for it. Obviously, you're not. You don't know anything. Yet. But also at the same time, we were not ready for it. Seems dumb.
何も、できなかったよ。
そんなことはないさ。あの数秒がなければ、私はやられていた。また、助けられちゃったな。霧島少年。なんて素晴らしい心持ち。しかし待って、バレてしまう。やばい、待って、くそ
霧島くん、待って。
生徒の安否を確認したいから、ゲート前に集まってくれ。怪我人の方はこちらで対処するよ。
That was honestly smart because I was like, how are they going to spin it? Not Midori being like, Kirishima being Oh, that was smart. I like it. I was honestly like, why are they going to karaoke right now? But then I was like, it's this guy. Also, did you guys catch that All Might poster that's been torn in half in the background? They're going to get sad backstory, aren't we? He's kept that as a reminder for the reason why he's doing the things that he's doing. I'm guessing All Might tried to save someone, but his violence led to like structural damage that led to killing off of his family and loved ones, and that's why he's pissed off.
話が違うぞ、先生。
違わないよ。
ヴィラン連合なんちゅうチープな団体名でよかったわい。わしと先生の共作、ノームは
一人、オールマイト並みの速さを持つ子供がいたな。あの邪魔がなければ、オールマイトを殺せたかもしれない。
我々は自由に動けない。だから、君のようなシンボルが必要なんだ。死柄木弔、次こそ、君という恐怖を世に知らしめろ。
This poor kid is being manipulated so hard. Oh my god. And I am guessing whoever that person is. Okay, two things. Either he is the only other person that we don't know yet who is aware of All Might's one for all power and that it can be inherited by someone, and so Midoriya just became like a big ass target for him. Or two, he just heard this somehow. Potentially when All Might was yelling about it in the street in front of Midoriya's house or somewhere else. But cool stuff, man, cool stuff. You're getting manipulated so hard and you're not even realizing it. I'm sorry, sir.
何にせよ、無事でよかったね。
凍らすとこだった。危ねえ。
僕がいたとこはね、どこだったと思う？どこだと思う？
どこ？
秘密さ。
両腕粉砕骨折、顔面骨折、幸い脳系の損傷は見受けられません。ただ眼下底骨が粉々になってまして、目に何かしらの後遺症が残る可能性もあります。
だそうだ。
I absolutely love that we are getting a bit more of an exploration of what happened to Aizawa, but also at the same time, why are you announcing it in front of the kids on speakerphone as the other villains are walking by in the background? Why are you doing that? This is like classified information. Huh? Just tell the kids that he's going to be fine and we don't really know how fine he's going to be, but he's going to be fine. At least he's not dead. Tell that to the kids. Why are you announcing his weakness to everyone? They're literally telling people that, hey, we don't really know if he's going to be Eraserhead for a really long time or not.
さあさあ、私も保健室の方に用がある。
That detective looks sus, right? Right? Is he the one who's betraying them? Like, it seems too much on the nose. But intentionally letting kids know about what the hero's weakness witnesses how they are recovering, going to the nurse's office with the potential understanding of the fact that All Might is being treated there, and whoever has the same power as All Might is being treated there. I don't like him. I don't like him. He's extremely sus until he shows me that there is no reason for me to be suspicious of him.
外傷はなし。無抵抗でおとなしいとのことですが。
今回は事情が事情なだけに、小言も言えないね。
オールマイト、久しぶり。
塚内くん、君もこっちに来てたのか。
オールマイト、いいんですか？姿が。
ああ、大丈夫さ。なぜって彼は最も仲良しの警官、塚内直政くんだからさ。
That just makes him more suspicious to me in my eyes. See, if I am wrong, I will apologize to the fictional character. If I am right, you guys are apologizing to me. Don't ask me why.
3人のヒーローが身を挺していなければ、生徒らも無事じゃいられなかったろうな。
生徒たちもまた戦い、身を挺した。
テク君
A fun episode overall, a fun finale overall. I am hyped. This show is so crazy. I genuinely did not think it would be this crazy, but I am so hyped. Every single character showed up and showed us why they are here. Oh, crazy stuff. I'm gonna leave you with that. Let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed my reaction to episodes 12 and 13 and the season finale of My Hero Academia, Macadamia. I'm not gonna stop. You can't make me stop. You can try to stop me, I won't stop. I will try to stop myself, I won't stop. So it's like literally not between you and me. It's between me and my brain, well, it controls me. Like everyone else's brain controls them. Here we are. But an amazing ass season overall. What I'm going to do after this is just go through a quick list and see if there are any OVAs that I should be watching before season 2, what needs to happen. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to watch something specific. Can't wait to see you in my next My Hero Academia reaction. Until then, like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know your favorite moments, your favorite theories. Do you not trust that best friend dude too? Let me know without spoiling me, obviously. But like when you first saw him, did you feel like, oh, he shouldn't be trusted, or were you like, oh, gay? Because there was a brief moment when he entered the nursery, I was like, gay. But then at the same time, I was like, stop it. I don't really trust him. But could be gay. Hyped for this show and what it has in store for us. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Take care.